Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert live photos to video on iPhone. Right now I will show you the best method to easily convert your live photos to video without losing video quality. First of all, you have to install Toolbox app in your iPhone. So go to your App Store and search for Toolbox, and this is the actual app we are looking for. So install this Toolbox app in your iPhone. Once done, go to your Photos app and make sure you have captured a live photo. So as you can see, this is a live photo. And now let's make this live photo a video. Go ahead and open the Toolbox app in your iPhone and come to this photo section. Under photo section, here you'll find this option, live photo to MP4. Just tap on that. And now from your gallery, select the live photo and tap on next. And here we can see the photo and tap on start. And as you can see, my live photo already converted to video. Now to save it, just tap on photo library and it's saved. Go to your Photos app and now here you will find the video that was just converted from a live photo. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.